Welcome to the Panda Revive. Tailored for those who desire a deep, transformative clean, this package elevates everything that Panda X offers, then goes the extra mile. Every inch of your car's interior gets undivided attention. Detailing is deep and meticulous, with brushing and swabbing of even the smallest spaces, like the dashboard, console, cup holders, and doors, using precision and medical-grade tools. This ensures every nook and cranny of your car is not just touched, but revitalized. Then, your car experiences the power of steam. A full-scale steam cleaning refreshes your car's interior, revitalizing materials. But the transformation doesn't stop there. Your car undergoes a thorough steam shampoo treatment for your car's upholstery. Carpets, seats, mats, all to ensure a pristine and stain-free finish. And if you have leather seats, they get special treatment and conditioning, bringing back their natural elegance. On the outside, your vehicle will shine. After a thorough exterior detailing, a high-gloss spray wax is applied, capturing that fresh-off-the-lot shine and making it last.